RedPlum is a cashback website that has been gaining attention for offering users a chance to save money on everyday purchases. The first thing I noticed about RedPlum is its simple and straightforward layout. The homepage is easy to navigate, with all the top offers clearly displayed right away. One thing I appreciate about RedPlum is how user-friendly it is. No complicated sign-up processes or hard-to-find offers. The sign-up is quick, and you're immediately prompted to start browsing deals. Once you're logged in, you'll notice that RedPlum works with a wide variety of retailers, both large and small. You can find deals on everything from groceries to electronics, which is a huge plus. You can either browse by category or search for specific stores or products. Each deal shows you the percentage of cashback you earn, which helps you decide if it's worth clicking through. But, as with any cashback site, you need to be aware of the fine print. Cashback offers can sometimes take a while to process, and in some cases, I found that the cashback rate isn't as high as I expected. It's not a deal breaker, but it's worth considering if you're hoping for a more substantial return on your purchases. Additionally, the website's interface, while functional, could use a bit of polish in terms of design. It feels a little dated compared to some of the newer cashback platforms. On the positive side, RedPlum does offer a decent range of special promotions, so if you're active on the site, you can definitely take advantage of some good deals. I also like that it offers a straightforward cash-out process once you accumulate your cashback, which is always a plus in my book. Not sure how to avoid draining your wallet on gifts? I used to face that problem too, until I discovered Giftmeo, where you can get cashback on your purchases and keep surprising your loved ones without breaking the bank. Click the link in the description. Overall, RedPlum is a solid cashback website that provides good savings, especially if you make purchases from the retailers they partner with. While it may not be as flashy as some competitors, its simplicity and reliability make it a good option for shoppers looking to save a little extra. It's definitely worth checking out, especially if you shop regularly with any of the brands they feature. If you enjoyed this review and found it helpful, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe to my channel for more honest reviews and shopping tips.